Can I fold it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Gentle.
You can do it.
Okay.
Slowly.
Okay,
Yeah.
One more demo for mobile battery.
And with the button, this button here?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Maybe the others?
Yeah.
The others?
So I can still show something. So if I take a photo, you can see. Here you can see yourself, right? And I can see you. It's cool. How about the gesture? Is it good? Okay. So I can press the button, take a picture. Right. Yep.
Yes.
No, I'm
Yeah.
joking. I'm joking.
Actually, we take it some photo. No?
Did you connect to internet?
Yeah, my Wi-Fi port.
So you can experience browsing.
Yeah, we just experienced.
I just tried.
So usually
Actually, Amy is like, I cannot
it's
wait.
a phone.
Work on this thing.
Just doing if you are doing the browsing the news, this is BBC, and if you see down somewhere, you just want to open, you want to see, you want to check it on the big screen, you just open, and then you can read it on the big screen. Yeah. It's quite convenient, and even you can read it this Flipboard. Yeah. Yeah. It's quite good. Yeah.
So the hinge has over 100 parts,
You mean
right? The Falcon